guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to create a DIY project using some Dollar Tree items. So today I am going to bling up this picture frame and then add an affirmation in here. So let's get started and I'll show you what supplies I'm going to use. So first we have the Dollar Tree picture frame. This is the 8x10 photo frame. Next we have my affirmation that I printed out. I just went into my photo program, created a nice little message. It says life is tough, but so are you, Q, and girl, you got this. And I think this would be actually cute if you can make a few of these and change them up in your picture frames and add your name to it, make it more personalized. So that's what I have for this one. And you can't really tell from here, but the color is, it's like a baby pink. So I'm going to use this. And again, I just printed this out on my, I made it on my computer and just printed it out. Next I have my bling wrap. This is the flower bling wrap, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can see where I got this. Here's my double-sided tape. Now you really don't need this. You can just use actual, just regular Scotch tape. But I have this so that I can, I'll show you guys how I'm going to use this or why I need this. And lastly, I have my glue gun. And if you guys watched some of my other videos before, I did invest in a new glue gun because my other one is kind of jacked up. I use it pretty much, actually I use it every single day and it looks horrible. So I got this cute little pink one, and again I'll put a link in the description because this thing is the greatest. Like, I love these hot glue guns, and they're small, easy to work with. So yeah. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the backing from your picture frame. Be very careful with these little tabs on the back because one of them has already broken off. And this piece right here, I keep this piece because my pictures that I print out never actually fit the picture frames exactly. I always have some left in the sides where you can actually see, but this actually fits perfectly in the picture frame. So all I do is take my picture and just kind of tape it to the little template right here. So that's why I need the double-sided tape, or if you have just regular Scotch tape, you can do that as well. You don't need a lot, just something to kind of hold it in place so it doesn't slide around. Let's put some down the middle. And it tracks like it doesn't want to go back in there. All right, so I have that back in place. Press my little tabs down very easily so I try not to break any more of them. Alright, so here it is. So now I'll have that in place. Okay. Now let's add our bling. So from the bling wrap that I showed you, this ribbon right here, I actually just measured it and I cut the size of bling to actually match the actual frame. Okay, so I have one to go here. And I have my other ones right here. And for my purpose, I like the black behind my frames because I'm going to put this in a room where the colors are black and silver. So I'm okay with the black frame. The dollar store does carry white frames that you can use, or if you want, you can paint this or spray paint it if you want an actual, white frame. Okay, so let's start gluing on the bling wrap. because the hot glue dries so quickly, you might want to just do it in little sections. If not, you'll have to go back over it. I actually love the dollar store picture frames because there's so many things that you can do for them. And my dollar store has pretty much completely ran out of picture frames, so I actually had to order them online. And when I did order them online, I got a notification stating that my order got canceled because they were out of stock. So if your dollar store has these picture frames, then you should go ahead and get a few if you want to continue to do some DIY projects. And the box that I did get, I'm super excited because I have so many little ideas of things I want to do. We've been in our house for almost 2 years, and we pretty much don't have any decorations up, and I really don't want to spend a lot of money on them. And plus, I just like doing DIYs. It's more personalized, and I like being able to say that I actually made it. So I'm gonna keep doing these. So if you guys are interested in seeing some of the ideas I come up with, then don't forget to subscribe. And another thing about this is so easy. I mean, you can make so many of these, and even with the affirmation right here, you can just print out as many as you want, and you can come up with different sayings, and you can just change them up. You know, like you could just open up the back and just switch them every day if you wanted to. Alright, so here it is, you guys. My Glam blinged out picture frame is complete, and I think it looks rather nice. Again, it was very easy to do. It was very budget friendly, as it pretty much cost me less than $5. I mean, the picture frame itself was only $1 because it came from the Dollar Tree. The bling wrap, it wasn't that expensive, but here it is. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to watch some of my other videos of my DIYs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I will chat with you next time. Take care.